This could be by far one of the most scenic places to ride a bike in all of North America. Here we are at Zion National Park, and we're going to take a bike ride on the access road that is just for bike riders, walkers, and tour buses. So we're not going to see any cars on that road. Here's the beginning of the trail. There's an area where you can pitch a tent right outside of the visitor center. So we made our first stop here on the Forest Trail and beautiful waterfall. Check it out. Well, it's time to keep going. So this beautiful road, which is void of cars, is about a 2% grade. So it's a nice, easy ride uphill. Have to pull over for all buses. What a beautiful ride. What do you think, Jan?
Great. Temperatures couldn't be any better.
Yep.
And a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
And it's not real crowded.
Perfect day in Zion. Wow. Hello. So we can see a mountain climber climbing up that rock face in front of us. There he is. He's got to be up there hundreds of feet. Yeah, I can't see anybody else except that one person. But I think he's having a good time. Ready? I think we're at the end of the road. So we found another rock face climber. See if I can get him with this zoom lens. Check that out. Unbelievable. Looks like he's having fun. This looks like a nice place for a snack. I'm gonna put my bike over here against this tree.
Okay.
So we're all done with our snack. We're gonna get back on the road now. And we've done about 12 miles, and I think we've got about 2 more to get back to the visitor center. Looks like a horse trail.
It does, yeah. Very cool campground here near the visitor center. And we're back. Well, the bike ride's over, and now it's time to find our Airbnb. So what do you think? Zion National Park. It certainly was a beautiful ride. Jan and I did this over a year ago, and if you're going to do it, I would recommend that you do it early in the season because the crowds are pretty incredible come summertime. Do your homework, plan your trip, and make it to Zion National Park. You won't regret it. Some of the most beautiful riding in North America. I'll leave a link in the description below of all the information you'd need to have a successful trip in Zion and the surrounding area. You could spend weeks there. So thanks for watching this short video, and as always, happy pedaling. That's all for now.